Before buying an IPL laser hair removal device, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, INZA Ice Cooling IPL Device. Let's kick things off with the INZA IPL hair removal device. Priced at $99.99, this device caught my eye because it promises long-lasting results with 999,999 flashes. If you want a comfortable at-home hair removal experience, this is worth a serious look. The INZA device zaps away unwanted hair at the roots, slowing down regrowth significantly. With a powerful energy output of 5J per centimeter squared and a wavelength of 600 nanometers, it penetrates deep into the hair follicles, which means you'll see smoother skin for longer. It's designed for convenience, allowing you to have salon-like treatments right in your living room. Users report up to 95.08% hair growth reduction in just 3 weeks by following a simple treatment schedule. Here's why this matters for you. If you're tired of the constant upkeep of shaving or waxing, this device could be a real time saver. Now, some people complained about it being corded, which can be limiting in terms of mobility. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, you might find that a stable power source actually means more consistent results. So if you don't mind a little tethering, you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking to do effective hair removal at home without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something cordless or travel-friendly. Now, if the corded nature of the INZA bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, another INZA IPL device. Another option from INZA, similar to the previous one, but with a slight twist. It's also priced at $99.99 and offers a similar set of features with the same impressive 999,999 flashes. If you want a reliable choice for long-lasting hair removal, this could be your go-to. Like its sibling, this device uses IPL technology to effectively zap hair at the roots, promising smoother skin over time. The dual flash modes make it easier to target both large areas, like your legs, and smaller spots, like your bikini line, which is a big plus. I was genuinely surprised to see how quickly users can achieve noticeable results, almost like having a mini salon treatment at home. The built-in ice cooling feature is a game changer, helping to minimize any discomfort. However, the downside is that it's not the most aesthetically pleasing device on the market. Some users mention that it feels a bit bulky in hand. But honestly, if you're prioritizing effectiveness over looks, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a solid IPL hair removal device that gets the job done effectively. Skip this one if you prefer a more stylish design or don't want to deal with a cord. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for comfort and ease of use. Product number 3, Ubru IPL device. The Ubru laser hair removal device packs a punch with its impressive ice cooling technology that cools your skin to 5 degrees Celsius upon contact. If comfort during treatments is a priority for you, this is definitely worth considering. The Ubru uses red light IPL technology, which means it targets hair follicles efficiently while keeping your skin safe. This device also features 9 energy levels, allowing you to start low and adjust based on your comfort level. I appreciate that it caters to both men and women and can be used on various body parts. In fact, it promises a salon-like experience at home, which is something we all crave. Users are raving about its effectiveness in reducing hair regrowth. That said, some users found the instructions a bit confusing, which can be frustrating. However, once you get the hang of it, the results make the effort worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly device that offers great comfort. Skip this if you're looking for something with a ton of fancy features or overly complex settings. Now, if you're looking for something that's both powerful and user-friendly, you'll want to check out the next device.
Product number 4, a Wreath IPL laser device, priced at $69.99. What caught my attention here is the promise of painless hair removal and impressive results in as little as 3 weeks. If you're sensitive to pain, this one might be a solid choice. The Wreath device boasts advanced IPL technology, and users report that it feels smooth and nearly painless during use. With 999,000 flashes and a compact design, this device makes it easy to cover large areas of your body quickly. It's designed for full body use, reaching those tricky spots with any hassle. Users have seen a significant reduction in hair after just a few sessions, which is pretty impressive. However, it does require you to shave before use, which can feel like an extra chore. But here's the thing, that's pretty standard for most hair removal devices, so it's not a huge deal. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that feels gentle on the skin. Skip this one if you're not willing to shave beforehand. Alright, that's a great option, but if you're looking for something that's a little more high-end, the next product is definitely worth a look.
Product number 5, Nude Flasher Pro. The Nude Flasher Pro, which is priced at $349. While it's on the pricier side, it's touted as one of the most powerful at-home IPL devices available. If you want to invest in something that promises near-permanent results, this could be your best bet. What really sets the Nude apart is its cryo-soothe cooling technology, which keeps your skin comfortable while you use it. Users report that they see visible results after just one treatment. Plus, it includes a bonus anti-aging lens, which is a unique feature not commonly found in other devices. This means you can tackle more than just hair removal, giving you more bang for your buck. That said, it's significantly more expensive than the other options we've discussed. Some might find it hard to justify that price tag, especially if they're just starting out with IPL. But here's the thing. If you're serious about hair removal and want a device that provides professional-level results, it could be worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you're committed to achieving smooth skin and don't mind spending a little extra. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget-friendly option or just want to try IPL hair removal for the first time. All in all, each of these devices has its strengths and weaknesses. If you're after comfort, the Ubru or Orith might be your best choices. But if you're serious about long-term results, the Nude Flasher Pro could be worth the splurge.
We've covered a variety of IPL laser hair removal devices, from budget-friendly options like the Ubru and Orith to the luxury experience of the Nude Flasher Pro. Each has its own unique features to cater to different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for comfort, effectiveness, or advanced technology, there's something here for everyone. Make sure to choose the one that aligns best with your hair removal goals.